In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's particle system as a smoke domain's flow source. Let's press F3 and look for quick smoke. By default, the smoke covers the entire mesh. By using the particle system as its flow source, we can limit the way smoke stars to appear on the mesh. The gravity won't matter much, but I'll turn it off to show the particle path. When adding a particle emitter, please add it to the mesh, not the domain. By changing the flow source to the particle system, we can make the smoke to appear from the particle's starting points instead. There it is. We can certainly reduce the number of particles from the default 1000 to far less. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.